Welcome back to everyone. In this video I will guide you how to enable or disable NFC on Motorola Moto G47. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on, you will see first option is connected devices. Click on connection preference and click on NFC. If you want to disable NFC, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, NFC is disabled. If you want to enable NFC, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, NFC is enabled. You will enable or disable NFC from here. After the process, go back to home screen. Please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.